Hello techies. Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
You are right when you say we can search with next, but do not say next, right? We can search with the word next. Yeah. Because otherwise what happens in the interview? You will say, okay, next. And then they will say, okay, what is next? So yes, you search with next, but the name of the field is next sequence for integration, file utility. Correct. Good job. So if I run this integration, and then if I look at it, you see this is the file name that is going to be www.employeedetails2022-0426_1. So let me run it. It finished. So here is the output file. I can navigate to the Output Files tab, and there is the file waiting for me to be downloaded. So I have downloaded it. Let me open it up. Alright. So this is how the data looks like. Okay. So we have Logan McNeil is a worker. Steve Morgan is the manager. Location is San Francisco. Chief Human Resources Officer is the job profile, and we have executive level as the compensation grade. But look at the length of service. Why is it within double quotes? Any idea? Yes, this is the entire thing has to be read as one. Correct. But why are we worried about this? We have spaces here as well. Chief Human Resources Officer. Right here. We didn't have any issue, but here we do. The reason being that this data contains comma, right? That is the reason that we had to enclose it within double quotes. So what they smart, what they knows, what they can detect that this data contains comma. So it has automatically enclosed it within double quotes. Think about this one as well. Director of Employee Benefits. Again, same reason. Why did we have a double quotes here? And because this string of data has a comma as part of it. So it has to be enclosed within double quotes. If you do not enclose it within double quotes, the system will not be able to read it properly. So will read the job profile as director, and then the compensation grade will be employee benefits. And we don't want that. The compensation grade is management, and it's not employee benefits. So to avoid issues with the comma, it has been enclosed within double quotes. Great. So now we have reached this point where we are able to create any IB. We are able to create a file using any IB we used as a report, as a source of data. Correct. And we have been able to create an output file. Now comes a very interesting question. What if? We need to use a different delimiter from comma. Right. What if we need to use something else? What if here you see it says length, underscore of service, underscore hyphen, _worker. Right. What if we need to change this header and change a few things here and there? And, of course, definitely change the delimiter from comma to a pipe. Okay. Unfortunately, we cannot do it very easily. We cannot do it easily in the EIB. Did we see an option like that where we could change it from CSV to something else? Unfortunately, we do not have that option, so we have to do something called as a transformation. Right. We have to transform the data. We have to transform whatever we have into something else, into a format that is expected by the recipient. So we have two ways of doing the transformation. One is that something called as the custom report transformation, and the other one is custom transformation. So number one is custom report transformation, and the other one is custom transformation. Now there are some pros and cons about each of these. Custom report transformation is simple, easy, no programming required. Right. Custom transformation. I would say simple. I won't say easy. Right. And we need to write the custom transformation using uses XLT. XLT programs. Okay, of course, if you are using a programming language, it is more versatile. /capable. Okay, so you have these two options of doing the transformation. Now, even when I say more versatile or capable, still it cannot. I mean, I won't say it won't be able to do magic. Whatever it can do can also be achieved using calculated fields. Right. Whatever this XSLT program can do in a custom transformation. Same thing you can do using calculated field as well. Alright. So if you want, you can modify your custom report in a manner that all this transformation, etc. The transformed data is there in the custom report, and you can just use it as part of your custom report output. Right. In that way, you do not have to do any transformation using XLT. So now let's do it then. Let's first start with custom report transformation. Right. And then, we will use custom transformation. Okay, so. Right. So here we are using a data source that is WW employee details. Now please follow along the steps and note it down, if possible. So first, if we are creating a custom report transformation, there is the task called Create Custom Report Transformation. Okay, create custom report transformation. That is the task. Okay, all you need to specify here is the name of the transformation and the name of the report. That's it. Click OK. So I'm giving the same name, the name of the report is same as the name of the transformation. So first we will create this object, which is a custom report transformation. Right, we have not reached a point where we are doing the transformation yet, but just follow along. First we will create the custom report transformation. Then we go back to our EIB. Related Actions, Enterprise Interface Edit. And then where should we change? The Transform section.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us at sales@upptalk.com.